Fair good day to ye and welcome to Scots Flash News, 1 o'clock. Belgium. The Belgian Health Minister, Maggie the bloke, has stated that at least 300 fowk were skaithed in last Tuesday's terrorist onding, and it would seem that 61 are guile cases. The Belgian authorities have gone round to pittin a name to 3 of the suicide bombers, those the 2 brothers, Ibrahim and Khalid el Bakràwi and Najim Laashràwi. 2 other bombers on the tither haun, he no name yet, and none of them is being chased. A by-ordnar meetin of the European Meinister for Justice is going to take place today in Brussels at 3 o'clock for to tackle the new terrorist emergency. One of the main points on the table will be who the European Secret Services and police forces would best work together, seeing as they have tackled one another up to now in their fight against terrorism. New Zealand. The new national flag that had been put forward to take the place of the old one has been voted down in a referendum with 55% of the votes against the change. The Electoral Commission has thus gained it out that after the vote the flag will bide as it was. Moscow. The Secretary of State John Kerry has met in with the Russian Foreign Minister Lavrov to hear collogue on the future of the peace talks on Syria. The UN Special Envoy Staffan de Mistura will give out the date of the next round of talks, as well as the possible points both the Syrian regime and the Syrian opposition could hold with one another about. Mozambique. The Australian government has given it out that the rack fund in Mozambique is like as no thoan of the Malaysia flight MH370. The airplane that was travelling from Beijing to Kuala Lumpur vanished on the 8th of March 2014 with 239 passengers as it was fleeing over the Indian Ocean. Argentina. The Organisation for Human Rights Madre de Plaza de Mayo has given it out that they're aiming to boycott Barack Obama's visit to Buenos Aires with a handful of protests. The visit takes place at the same time as the 40th anniversary of the coup that brought General Jorge Videla to power. Before Obama's visit, the White House aides let Ken that documents in their time had been declassified by both the US Army and the CIA. Helsinki. The Finnish government has given it out that it signed a pact with Russia for to shut down its northern border crossings at Salla and Raja Jooseppi for the next 6 months. In those two, only Russian, Finnish or Belarusian citizens will be allowed to go through them. In an official statement, the Finnish government has explained that the pact enables to put a stop to guided Ranges immigration. In the first 2 months of 2016, about 1,000 Ranges migrants have reached Finland and the Schengen area through the Finnish border crossings with Russia. That's all for the day for Scots Flash News. This is Tom Baxter. Thanks for listening.